Your Acer laptop's Alt Plus F10 recovery key is completely unresponsive and you need an immediate fix. This guide will get that crucial recovery function back online right now. If your Acer laptop's Alt Plus F10 recovery key is not working, the first step is to re-enable the Windows recovery environment using Command Prompt. Open Command Prompt as an administrator, type regency the info to check its status, and if it's disabled, type regency the other enable and press enter. Confirm the success message and then reboot your laptop. This simple command often resolves the issue by reactivating the hidden recovery partition. If that doesn't clear the error, the problem might be with the Acer software itself. So let's move to method 2, updating Acer Care Center. Search for and open Acer Care Center, navigate to its support section, check for any available software updates, and install them. After restarting your laptop, test the recovery key again. Should the issue persist, the problem could be related to BIOS settings, leading us to method 3, performing a BIOS security breach check. Access your BIOS or UEFI settings, find the security options, and look for Secure Boot. Temporarily disabling Secure Boot can sometimes allow the recovery key to function, so save changes, exit, and test the key. If it works, you can re-enable Secure Boot. For final resolution, method 4 involves another command prompt action. Type bded set current recovery enabled yes, then press enter and reboot your Acer laptop. This command directly tells the system to enable recovery, ensuring your Alt F10 key works.